Hey guys, how to turn off Face ID for apps on iPhone. Let's have an example that you don't want to confirm via facial recognition to enter TikTok or Instagram, whatever it might be, and you want to actually turn it off or shut it down. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and hold the app that you, let's say, added the facial recognition, and then just click, instead of require Face ID, just click do not require Face ID. You're gonna see the same option but do not require, and then basically after you click on it, you're gonna just confirm via facial recognition, and then that will confirm that this is you who is making that step. And then now you're gonna be able to access TikTok or Instagram or any other app without needing facial recognition. So let me know in the comments of this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching, and we will definitely see you in the next one.